Hi everyone, I'm Master David Goh, a third generation Imperial Feng Shui master and a proud founder of Imperial Harvest. As we look ahead to the year of Wood Snake in 2025, I'm excited to share my insights and predictions for those born under the Ox Zodiac. The Year of the Snake in 2025 presents both opportunities and challenges for those born in the Year of the Ox. As Tai Sui harmonizes with your sign, this year brings smooth progress, but careful planning and thoughtful decision-making will be key to navigating any obstacles that arise. Financially, 2025 offers stability for Ox Zodiacs. Opportunities to collaborate with like-minded partners may lead to success, though it's important to manage resources wisely. Keep a close eye on your spending and avoid unnecessary extravagance to ensure financial security throughout the year. In terms of career, the Year of Snake encourages proactive steps towards professional growth. Expanding your horizons through travel or taking on new responsibilities will be beneficial. However, your interpersonal relationships at work may experience some tension, so it's essential to maintain a low profile and handle competition tactfully. Love and relationships will be steady in 2025. For singles, there will be opportunities for short-term connections, but patience is advised before committing too quickly. For those in relationships, open communication and trust will help avoid misunderstandings. It is a year to focus on building strong foundations in your romantic life. Your health requires attention this year, particularly when it comes to physical activities. Be cautious of injuries, especially if you enjoy sports, and consider avoiding high-risk activities. Additionally, take care of your digestive system by being mindful of your diet. In 2025, Ox Zodiac individuals can expect a balanced year filled with growth and opportunity. With careful financial management, steady progress in career, and mindful health practices, the challenges can be successfully navigated, leading to a fulfilling and prosperous year.